Hello everyone, I'm Denell, one of the hygienists here at Fort Worth Cosmetic and Family Dentistry. I'm here to follow up Kelcy's part 1 on our favorite F word, flossing. So today we're going to talk about the tools that Kelcy gave you in the last video as to how to use them and how they're most beneficial for you. So I have a diagram here that's going to help us out just a little bit today. Our first tool that we're going to use is our Floss Pigs. They are the ones that have the floss and the toothpick side on the other edge. So what we do with these is we're going to just come in and we're going to hug each side of the teeth, making sure that we're removing all the plaque and bacteria from in between each tooth. So hugging with these is the key. We also have a floss handle that allows you to reach farther back to those hard to reach molars back in the back. So you can reach all the way through. And then again, I want you to really concentrate on hugging on both surfaces of the tooth in between there. All right. Our next tool is our Proxy Brush. This would be one that you could use in your purse, in your pocket, keep it more portable for you. You can bend the end of this one to make it reach in between the teeth a little better. So we're just going to do the same thing. When you get in between the tooth, just really want you to concentrate on massaging the gums, just like that. We also have another version of that allows us to have a larger bristle in between for those larger, harder to reach spaces. Same technique though, in between each tooth, concentrating on hitting each side of the tooth. The last tool that we have is our gold standard, which is our water pick. These make it easier to flush out debris both from the outside and the inside. So how we use this tool is we're going to place it in the mouth, slightly close around it to cause the least mess possible, and then turn your machine on, and then I just want you to follow along the gum lines in a scallop technique. When you get in between two teeth, really just concentrate on holding it in between there to make sure that we're giving it long enough to flush out anything that might be in between the teeth. And follow it around. You can shut it off, spit, and then come back in, and you can place it again, turn it back on. We're going to go ahead and make sure that we are doing it from the inside and the out. So that is our gold standard to keep everything in between the teeth as clean as possible. If you have any questions on how any of these tools are used, please reach out to us and we will be glad to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching and have a great day.